together. So, Shilpa, would you like to say something about this?
A very hearty morning to all the couples and all present here. It's World Heart Day today, and I feel really happy that Saffola Life has taken this really amazing initiative forward of protecting women's hearts, and I feel very happy to leverage my name to something like that. Somebody who has always believed that fitness is very important and has always given fitness more importance and health more importance than looking good. It was shocking to know with the survey and the study done by Saffola Life that 2 out of 4 women suffer with cardiovascular diseases. So it really boils down to the fact that, you know, we women are more susceptible and vulnerable to heart diseases, and it's a direct correlation with how you maintain yourself. You have to have a high metabolism. You have to walk. That's the least you can do. To all those women out there, more than looking good, I think you should give importance to heart health. And I'm here to take that pledge today with Saffola Life, my husband and me. I'm very happy that Raj is here to support women's heart health. And he really has always been the wind beneath my wings and is always cared for me. So if all your husbands care for you, they will take out that time of making you walk for at least 30 minutes and walk with you. So it not only ensures good heart health, but also a healthy marriage.
Absolutely, Raj.
So, yeah, okay, you speak and then we'll take the pledge together.
Good morning, everybody. First, I want to ask these lovely couples, how many have their love marriage? And how many love their wife? So it's not important just to love your wife. You won her heart, now protect her heart. That's what Saffola Life's all about, and I'm so proud to be part of this initiative. And like I said, it was hard enough to win her heart, but now I owe it to protect her heart for the rest of my life. Thank you for having us here.
That is so beautiful, Raj. Thank you. It's so wonderful to hear both of you say all these lovely things, because we are here for this wonderful initiative. And here we have all these lovely couples. We have around 100 couples who gathered here just for this. So we are very excited.
I want to thank all these couples who have come out in the sweltering heat. It doesn't just, it proves a lot. It proves that you care. You care about the marriage, you care about, you know, your wife, and you care about her health. And that's a sign of a good marriage and a healthy marriage. So I take this opportunity as soon as Raj completes wiping himself. We are both melting. चलो अच्छा कार्डियो हो रहा है, ये हमारा आज का कार्डियो है.
अरे रुको ना यार.
On this wonderful note, we are going to take the pledge together.
We with Saffola Life, I feel we're getting married again. So we together with Saffola Life take this pledge.
Protect Your Heart initiative.
To walk for 30 minutes a day, which is we care.
Fantastic. And we have all the couples hold hands. All the couples hold hands together to just be a part of this wonderful pledge. I know you said a little bit in the beginning, but tell us about the walk and how it felt that, for you to start it off.
Well, like I said before, health really means a lot to me. I have always believed that health is wealth. And if ever there's an opportunity where I can play a catalyst in telling people the same and making a difference to their lives, I would most happily do so. And I'm really happy that today Saffola Life has taken this initiative, and it's a great endeavor to protect women's hearts. And, we women have very big hearts. We're so busy in our lives looking after our families, our children, our husbands' problems, that we forget about our own weight. And see, you can't change the husband, but you can change your health. So the least you can do for yourself is, include a cardiovascular activity. And 30 minutes of walking will really sort your life. And if you can do it with your husband, and actually, all you husbands out there, you all are in this marriage for love. I know love doesn't stay permanently. You all are never always in love, but you all love the person. So to continue that and to have a healthy marriage or healthy wife, it's very important for both of you all to take the initiative. I'm not undermining the husband's health here. So there are a lot of men also who take their health for granted. So I think both of you all should take that initiative with each other and look after each other's health and take that 30 minutes walk, in a day. And if not possible, every day, do it 4 times a week. Definitely do it on weekends. And you'll see the change it brings about in your marriage, in your communication, and in your health.
That's fantastic. Absolutely. We all totally agree to that. And Raj, I would like to ask you, how do you protect Shilpa's heart?
That's a good one. देखो, साथ चलने की कसम खाई है to protect her heart. And I think, a man who doesn't love his wife or can't look after his wife is not a man. So I know we have our egos and we're very proud and औरत पीछे चलती है. That's wrong. साथ चलना चाहिए, बस साथ चलना चाहिए. And a little bit of trivia. There is 3.6 billion women out there. 3.6 billion. Can you just hold your partner's hand and put it up? Just put it up. You chose this partner. She's your 1 in 3.6 billion.
Wow.
Protect her heart, okay?
Wow, I'm so convinced with that. That is so beautiful. And he surely really is somebody who, we can all see that he's protecting your heart. Shilpa, I have a question for you. Like you mentioned earlier, 2 out of 4 women are, they're at higher risk of heart problems due to the increasing weight. Now, do you think you can find out another way, an impact of their weight on their heart health without having to take the routine cholesterol and lipid profile tests?
You can actually just log on to www.saffolalife.com, and it will actually show you the impact your lifestyle has on your heart health. And that's one of the simplest ways of going forward. And I know a lot of women and men shy away from all these 100 blood tests. So this could be, your one-stop shop for starters. Unless you're suffering with major problems, then I would ask you to please go to a doctor. But in the meanwhile, on this day, take this initiative, log on, and you will see exactly how to make that change in your life. It'll give you a diet. It'll give you how to go about with, combating the stress. And I think that's a really, one-step plan.
That's absolutely perfect, and thank you so much for that information. We all need to do that. I'd like to give you both a marker right now, okay, because we are about to have this very, very special thing on, that's opening up just for us, where we would like you both to stand on each side, please. So as we begin, okay, so we are about to...
Jacob, could you just tell us something about Walk Together, Protect the Heart? What is this initiative and how are you associated with it?
Well, today is World Heart Day, as you're aware, and there couldn't have been a better day to choose this wonderful endeavor done by Saffola Life. And it's to Protect Our Heart initiative. And my husband very kindly has agreed to come and protect my heart and, you know, has lent his support to this great cause. And I feel really happy to just play a catalyst in women's lives, kind of bringing focus to health more than beauty. Because I think most women want to lose weight to look good. I think it's important to let them know that 2 out of 4 women suffer with cardiac diseases. And it's only because of the weight gain. And you know, these diet fads that they do where they lose lots of weight with the wrong kind of foods is one of the worst things to do to your body. So do it the right way. Start off with 30-minute walks, and that's what we've come here to pledge together as a couple. And I want that to continue, not just as a trend but as a rule. It should become a lifestyle modification plan for most couples. If they can actually take out 30 minutes in the day, it also denotes a healthier marriage.
As it's like protect her heart, why it would not be our heart? As we're talking about,
yes,
even the men are having...
The stats
yes,
are 2 out of 4.
Of course. No, but like the statistics show, and Saffola Life has done this whole survey and study where they've found out that 2 out of 4 women suffer with cardiovascular diseases. Hence, it's Protect Her Heart initiative.
शिल्पा, आप हमेशा फिटनेस को लेकर काफ़ी कॉशियस रही और बीट योगा और एवरीथिंग. तो हाउ यू मेक श्योर कि घर पे जब इस तरह की चीज़ें होती है, हाउ यू मेक श्योर कि फैमिली को लेकर जब बातें होती है, यू प्रोटेक्ट देयर हार्ट ऑलवेज.
And also adding to it, Indian moms keep their families and their kids first. So,
Yes.
कितना इग्नोर करती है इंडियन वुमेन?
आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा इग्नोर करती है, स्पेशली इंडियन वुमेन. हम लोगों की लाइफ होती नहीं है, हमारी लाइफ हमारे फैमिली के अराउंड ही सर्कल होता है. और अच्छी बात है वो. आई थिंक हम लोगों को इस तरीके से कंडीशन किया जाता है बचपन से ही कि हम लोगों को अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, उनके लिए ही सोचना चाहिए. तो हम अपने लिए नहीं सोचते. एक तरह से देखा जाए तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अपने आप को इग्नोर करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. तो यू हैव टू गिव योर सेल्फ अ बिट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, योर हेल्थ अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस. इफ़ यू आर नॉट हेल्दी देन हाउ विल योर फैमिली बी हैप्पी. तो अगर आप फैमिली को ओवरऑल हेल्थी देखना चाहते हैं, अपने आप को हेल्दी देखना चाहते हैं, यू हैव टू इनकलकेट द राइट हैबिट्स. एंड 30 minutes of walking is the best habit to inculcate.
राज, जैसे आप पर जिम्मेदारी दी गई है एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्ट हर हार्ट.
Absolutely.
Definitely you lended your support to her this particular candidate.
जी.
Besides this, how do you protect her family? Maybe all the other ways.
I think-
not health-wise also, but
I think the initiative is fantastic. See, लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं टाइम नहीं है, बिजी हूँ, काम से आया हूँ, थक गया हूँ. But that's the man's side of things. The ladies at home, looking after your child, working, doing her own thing. तो अगर आप 30 मिनट नहीं निकाल सकते उनके लिए, तो ना तो वो शादी लास्ट होने वाली है ना उनका दिल. So I think it's important to take that 30-minute pledge of Protect Our Heart. And I think what Saffola Life has done is fantastic. So the cause was good, and that's why both of us are a part of it.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान को
you took the initiative शिल्पा के लिए.
हाँ जी.
तो any message to the husbands out there कि आप भी अपनी वाइफ के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं?
I've said it to everyone. I've said, boss, there should be no male ego in this country. आदमी हमेशा हम देखते हैं आगे चलता है और औरत पीछे. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए भैया, साथ साथ चलो.
राज, साथ में चलने, शिल्पा के साथ में चलने की कसमें खाई है आपने.
जी.
तो ऐसे 7 जन्मों तक शिल्पा आपके में ऐसी कोई कसमें खाना
My
पसंद
God.
सिर्फ 7 जन्म. मुझे लग रहा है 7 जन्म कम है.
Oh, that's great.
Oh.
Shilpa, you are one of the fittest person in Bollywood.
I agree.
So besides eating habits, oh, that's great.
I don't think so. I have a long way to go.
So besides your eating habits, what are the other regimes you follow? And I think the yoga also. Are you planning to come out with some kind of a CD also?
I see today is not the platform. I think it'd be very unfair to be talking about what I am doing. You will get to know of those things. Yes, I agree that I'm very synonymous with health. I try to make myself of some use. हमने बहुत नाम कमाया है लोगों की वजह से. अगर कहीं ना कहीं मैं एक कैटलिस्ट प्ले कर सकती हूँ उनके हेल्थ के लिए, उनके हेल्थ के बेटरमेंट के लिए, I feel more than happy to leverage my name. That's the reason I'm here to support the whole Saffola Life pledge, and I think it's a wonderful initiative. एंड येस आई थिंक ये जो मिसकंसेप्शन है कि अगर आप ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करो और कुछ भी खाओ आप हेल्दी रहोगे, इट्स एक्चुअली 70-30। तो आप 30% अगर वर्कआउट करेंगे और 70% अगर अपना डाइट का ध्यान रखेंगे, योर लाइफ विल बी सॉर्टेड। सो 30 minutes of walking that's why we suggest is 30 minutes of walking, और अपने खाने का ध्यान भी रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप डाइट करो, ईट राइट, ईट हेल्दी। और ये जो डाइट फैड्स है मैं उसके बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट हूँ। आई थिंक एक अपने हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के लिए एक डाइट को बरकरार रखना, एक हेल्दी ईटिंग पैटर्न को बरकरार रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो एनीबडी हु सेज oh you can eat whatever you want and you just go to the gym and work out and you'll stay healthy, I'm totally against that, and that's not the right way to be healthy.
क्या कहना चाहोगी कि वोटर?
मैं रोज किसी ना किसी वजह से स्क्रीन पे आ ही जाती हूँ, छोटे स्क्रीन पे सही। I've actually अभी तक मैं सोच भी नहीं रही थी। अब वियान 3.5 years का हो रहा है, तो ही इज़ स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम एट स्कूल। तो अब मैंने स्क्रिप्टें पढ़नी शुरू की है, और 2-3 जो मैंने पढ़ी थी इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी। सो इट रियली हैज़ टू बी अ रिविटिंग फिल्म फॉर मी टू डू, कुछ ऐसा जो मैंने पहले किया नहीं हो। तो और मैं कोई कमबैक नहीं करने वाली जैसे लोग कहते हैं। आई जस्ट वांट टू डू समथिंग दैट वुड इंटरेस्ट मी एज एन एक्टर।
किस अंदाज में हम आपको देखेंगे? लाइक रोमांटिक, थ्रिलर, एक्शन?
अरे अभी तक स्क्रिप्ट नहीं आई तो मैं कैसे
एक सेकंड, अभी सारे यहाँ पे, वहाँ से इनको एग्जिट करने।
थोड़ा सा रास्ता दे दीजिए।